Thank you so much for stopping by Melika Skylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog. Good morning, vlog world. We're on our way to church. It's Christmas Sunday. Oh, show me my lipstick. Gotta put on my lippy.
Where's it?
Glow map. You have Kin right here. You have Punky right here. Hair done by Melika. You have Mama right here. You have the driver, which is my uncle right there. Bathing. So we're on our way to church. After church. We don't know what's gonna happen yet.
We know that.
What's gonna happen? And stuff.
Will that be it tonight? Yup.
So I want to wish you guys
a
a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Today's Christmas Sunday and it's Christmas the 25th. You guys are going to see this vlog after today. Girl, your lipstick popping, your teeth white. How many put on my lipstick?
Why they?
Number. Which lipstick you put on?
I don't know. All I could shine
That's
like
right.
you know, did
What
that
the bro
white
man?
Oh, I'm going to have a shine lipstick then.
Alright. Oh, you see me.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna sign out now. Until later, welcome to my channel. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to hit that subscription button and show the love. Jesus is around.
Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open the eyes. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you, Lord. I want to see you. Open the eyes. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you high and lifted up, shining in the light of the glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, 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 holy. I want to see you.
Hey guys, church is over. Walking home and stuff. Punky them the behind. I'm gonna go up now. I'm gonna go in town. I'm gonna go to the country and stuff. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Basically, this vlog can't end yet, so I'm gonna just wait until I reach home, get ready, come back, then tune in with you guys later. Damn, I'm glowing. Glow my baby. Yeah, church was good today. My favorite part of going to church is the praise and worship section. Yo, you know, anyhow with the sound chip out, my voice up on top. I love the singing and stuff. So guys, keep it locked to Skylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and show the love. Hey guys, I'm in country now. Bring some quick. That view though. We're going to Negril End. We're going for Christmas dinner. So guys, this is where I end this vlog. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and show the love. You know, it's the girl Melika Skylife representing for the team. I need to go clap on here. But yeah, I'm just wearing my dress. I love this dress. It's one of my favorite dresses in bathings. So bye, peace, subscribe. Watch my shadow. See a mess. You can't see peace. Peace. Later.
Hello, good morning, vlog world. You don't know it's a girl Melika Skylife. Matay me yay in the building. And this morning is an early one because I wake up to go exercise. So I've lost off a couple of pounds and it's a part of some of the things that I've been doing. One of the things I try to work out more, you know. But if you start to wash on teeth, no brush it, you know, man. I'm gonna brush my teeth and all and things still. But I'm gonna show you what I do in the mornings before anything. Like I try to do it as much as possible. Sometimes I don't do it, I fall off and stuff. But every morning I try to drink a glass of water. Everybody asleep, you know. Now it's dark. I'm growing so. Every morning I try to drink a glass of water. This cup, this size cup, full with water, and normally I put apple cider vinegar in there. Pum, 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 pum. Apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother in it. Mother drug something in my bottom. So you drink 1 cup of that. When I drink that, you go to the bathroom automatically. I don't know, I go to the bathroom before today. I don't know why. But I still have to drink it. So I'm going to fix up this drink it. And I also put lemon juice in there. So I put 2 cork full of this. Normally I say 2 teaspoons, but I use 2 cork full. And I put 1 of this because this is not the right thing one for the use. I should be using the natural lime juice. The natural lime juice work more, but I don't have no lime. I don't see no lime now from when I have to go bake somebody look some. So I'm going to start this out, drink it, and come back. Yeah! Drinking it tastes so wonderful, you know, but you have to drink it. Good morning, Tywin. Tywin?
Yo, what?
Good morning.
Yo,
Good morning. See, it's not spread up, you know. Come say good morning. Look here. Wave to the camera. Look here, sit there. Mommy, I just put it water up on the fire. Say morning. Why make you push out the tongue, so? You suck tongue now? Huh? Put it in tongue. No follow me. See my teeth buff. So I'm going to drink this off and hit the road when we're done. Mommy over there and stuff. As morning light you got and this is sitting here. Drive for me. Vroom vroom. For me panty though. Vroom. Change the gear. Change. Blow your hand. Blow your hand. Kigik. I want this internet. Up in pushy. A down in pushy me mean. Tywin, how you doing someone? Tywin, I driver. When I go, yeah. Not Canada. Whoa! Change the gear. Hey, Kigik. Where you go, my youth? Oh, you driver come out. Tywin right there. In the go-kart. Tywin, where you gone on this again, do? Come on, so come in my car. Why you driver, you're mad smuddy, you know, youth. Boy on. Sit the kik. Change gear. Alright, so guys, I'm ready to work out now. I have on my clothes, my shoes. My shoes. I'm gonna put on my waist trainer, and I'm also gonna use my belly gun. I rub this on my belly to help me burn fat on my gut. My gut is my problem area stuff. So I'm gonna put that on and show you how I work it. Practically, I don't know, but I'm gonna rub it on my belly. Help me sweat when me run. I'm gonna go up on the hill out the door. And I'm gonna rub some yes while I over. Help the other part of my body sweat. So this is how I look when I have on the
exercise belt, but I think I'm gonna get a next one to wrap up on my top part of my belly because this only cover the bottom part. That's one I probably want to see, but this helps define your waist and shape your body, so that's why I wear it. I help you burn fat for your belly as well. So you see it more, they come up and cover up some more. So I'm gonna go up on the road now and beatings. Guys, this is the hill that I'm gonna go up. It curve from there, I go across it, come on and come back down. I did 2 times and stuff, and then I go up on the machine, the Total Gym. So I'm gonna go up that hill twice, go curve and go across and come on and baitings, and then come back, go up on the Total Gym, and then I done work out, have a shower, eat some breakfast, and then I'm good for the day in terms of workout. I'm gonna pressure myself to lose weight, because what I realize is when you pressure yourself you don't lose weight. Because I remember when I was going to a gym, if you check back some of my vlogs, I was going to the gym like every single day and I had a routine and I wasn't losing any weight. I stayed the same, like 200 pounds, and like I said, it's now right now I'm there like 170, 175. I put on 2 pounds body in a Christmas year, so about 177 I don't know. Yeah, so I gotta do your workout now. I'm dating. So I just do my first run, come back, one more time to go. Mommy, what is that bonfire? Is there? But yeah, get some sweat in there and stuff. One more time to go. But then look, what you know? But yeah, come on, good. Yeah. Wait. So yes, guys, I have on my belly band. On my belly band, me exercising belt and stuff. If I catch, Mommy, I need one of the exercise belt there. Eh? Mom. You know, this up me and see the whole of girl up me and see. Eh. I'll go down nice too. Eh. Just let me go, me don't want nobody see me tonight. Tired enough. But I gotta go one more try, then hit the Total Gym, and then we're good for the day. Yeah. Yeah. Watch me whip. Watch me nene. Watch me whip. What is whip? I don't know. Hey guys, coming from my last run. I didn't go all the way around. I stopped up there, so I'm tired. I'm sweating. So I'm tired. I'm gonna go down and then do some abs workout and leg workout, and then peace. Guys, we're about to start the go-kart. We're gonna catch it on camera. Bathings. Come. Alright, one more minute. Alright, me make one mistake. Come.
Pull it one more time, you come in. Go on. Go on again. Go on.
Oh boy. Well, we can't take this as it me, I know.
Hold on, is that?
Oh boy.
Hold it.
Yes.
Hold it. It's alright, me push it. Come.
Oh boy. Now if you push go here.
Yeah, a good exercise, then you go drop.
The exercise is small. Thing that start Tywin.
You know what they go on now.
But you sit down so calm, Tywin. Tywin, look here. Tywin.
Yo, looking at the camera now.
Wave.
Yeah, it start, but I know it shut off and I come up here.
Guys, me just done push it go, can't go up a road. Run out of gas. May I come back, that's our next exercise, see morning. But guys, this is where I end this vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to show the love. Peace.
Thank you so much for stopping by Melika Sky Life TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.